Hey, what's up, my beautiful peeps and my wonderful YouTubers from all over the world? My name is Omar, and if you want to know how I make money online doing affiliate marketing, I suggest this video is for you. All right. Now, I learned how to do it correctly with no Facebook ads, no YouTube videos, no TikTok, no solo ads, no email listings, and no complicated softwares. All right. That's literally what I have learned. And this is my honest review based on a 2-day live workshop that I have done. And it is phenomenal. It's mind blowing. So if you're a newbie or even if you're advanced, I suggest you unlearn and get the right information because you'll be literally exposed to the insider secrets, my brothers and sisters. I'm telling you. All right. And the good thing is it has changed my life. And why? Because to know that I was struggling as a freelancer and as a family person, a father of two, and plus my fiance, and I have financial commitments to take care of, and I've been searching. And I saw someone posting online that they made money. They introduced me to the 2-day live workshop. And when I did it, and it was mind blowing, it's awesome to know that I don't need to get any of these complicated softwares. I don't need to get in all these pre-recorded videos and all that stuff. Just live actions, getting in these informations and just implement it in your business and you start making money. Even if you don't have a business and you want to promote any products, fine. If you want to do drop shipping, fine. If you want to do Amazon FBA, fine. ClickBank, Digistore, it doesn't matter. Just learn this one skill and you're good to go. And that's what I've done. And I am so successful. I am very excited. I am so happy to know that I'm a part of a community that literally helps me to change my life. And I'm getting the opportunity to help someone else out there that is stuck, they're struggling, they don't have any knowledge about online marketing, they don't even know how to do copy and paste. There's a lot of stuff happening out there. All right. And please don't waste your time getting in these complicated softwares, buying up all these things that is so advanced for you. And then when you get it, you're stuck. All right. It happens to me. I was there. I know what it felt like. Sleepless nights, feel like you want to knock your head against the wall. You don't have that guidance. You don't get in that support. And if you do reach out, it might take you up to weeks. And then when you do get an answer, you don't even remember what you were asking about, right? I'm getting the support that you can just literally just hop on a video call and you get help. Now, tell me if this is not something that is phenomenal. All right. I'm so glad to be a part of it. I'm so excited to know that my life has changed and I am now learning a new skill that I can even pass on to my kids and my other generation. So this is something that is going to it's not going to leave. It's literally going to stay here forever. All right. And, if you want to know what's working for me, you can just drop me a line. All right. Peace out. I love you all and greetings from Jamaica. Enough love.